Good morning, everybody, to my YouTube channel. So, dear students, you are attending your English grammar class where we are going to discuss about the topic verb. In your previous classes, also, you have known about verb, what the verb is. So, today also we'll revise your previous topic and also we'll add some new information in this video. So, let me start. What this picture is indicating us? Nina is sleeping. Jojo has asked questions. Pandas danced well in yesterday's party. The earth is fighting with coronavirus. So, in these examples, we have noticed Nina is sleeping, Jojo has asked questions, pandas danced well in yesterday's party, the earth is fighting with coronavirus. All the underlined words here, like is sleeping, has asked, danced, is fighting, these all underlined words are verb. So, what is the definition of verb? A verb is a word that is used to indicate action. Verb tell us about the action. वो हमें किसी पर्सन के बारे में नहीं बता रही, दैट इज़ बेसिकली टेलिंग अस अबाउट द एक्शन कि एक्शन क्या हो रहा है, वहाँ पे काम क्या चल रहा है सेंटेंस में. काइंड्स ऑफ वर्ब्स वी विल डिस्कस हियर. मेन वर्ब. In previous examples also you have noticed that we have used two words. We have used two words underlined. So we will know what these two words are. One is main verb, like Diya sleeps with her mom. I asked him about my ball. So underlined words sleeps and asked are main verb because they are telling us about the action of the subject. दिया का एक्शन क्या है? दिया स्लीप्स. आई, मेरा एक्शन क्या है? आई आस्क्ड him about my ball. So these two words are actions. So in second section, the helping verb. He is very handsome, very honest boy. I have completed my work. In these two sentences, we have underlined two words, is, have. These are not telling us about the action. These are helping verbs because they are helping the main verb to complete the action. Helping verbs का basically use क्या है? They tell us about the time of the action. अगर is यूज़ किया that means कि जो action है वो present time में है. was यूज़ किया तो that means कि action जो है वो previous time में पहले हो चुका. will shall यूज़ करेंगे तो that means कि अभी वो action होना है, complete नहीं हुआ. So I hope you have known about it कि main verb and helping verb. Sometimes you people do it mistake that like there is a sentence, he is very honest boy. अगर आपको बोला जाए कि find out the verb from this sentence, तो you will say there is no verb because basically you people know that the verb is action word. No, verbs are action words, no doubt, but sometimes verbs are here that are helping to complete the sentence. They are telling us about the time. So what the main verb we will know in detail. Main verb describes the action of the subject. Main verb subject का action बताती है, like play, jump, run, go, do, complete, take, etc. Helping verb or auxiliary verbs. What these verbs are? Helping verb describe the state of the subject, whether the action is done in present or past or future. बेसिकली वो टाइम रिलेटेड होती हैं, लाइक इज़, एम, आर, वॉज, वर, हैज़, हैव, हैड, विल, शल, कैन, कुड, मे, माइट. सो वी बेटर नो दैट इफ़ वी आर यूजिंग इज़, एम, आर, इट मीन्स के द एक्शन इज़ हेल्डिंग इन प्रेजेंट. अगर हम वॉज, वर यूज़ करें तो दैट मीन्स द एक्शन वॉज completed in past. Will shall यूज़ होगा, दैट मीन्स कि एक्शन will be done in future. Can, could, may, might, these are modal verbs. Sometimes you people remain confused कि कहाँ पे सिंगल वर्ब वन यूज़ करने और कहाँ पे वर्ब वन के साथ आपने एस और ई एस यूज़ करना है. लाइक यू रिमेन कन्फ्यूज दैट व्हाट टू यूज़, प्ले और प्लेस. ये आप लोगों की मेन प्रॉब्लम है. सो वी विल रिवाइज दिस टॉपिक्स हियर. She plays with me. I complete my homework. If the subject is she, I have used plays here. If subject is I have used only complete. I didn't put s with complete. So why I have done all these things? These are the rules. Verb 1 contains s or es. मीन के plays कहाँ use होता है? If subject is he, she, it or any singular subject is there, mean any name. Rani, Mani, Sita, Geeta, whatever single subject is. तो हमने plays, play और plays की option है, तो we'll see the subject. If their subject is he or subject is she or it or singular subject like Diya, we'll use plays. But only verb 1 is used when the subject is I, we, you, they or plural subjects. Plural subjects means name of two people. Children, boys, Ram and Sham. अगर सब्जेक्ट प्लूरल है तो हम एस और ई एस कंटेन नहीं करेंगे. आई होप यू गॉट इट. वर्ब के साथ एस और ई एस कब यूज़ होता है? अगर सब्जेक्ट ही, शी, इट या एक नेम हो, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट. ओनली वर्ब 1 कब यूज़ होगा? जब सब्जेक्ट आई, वी, यू, दे या प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट्स हो. सेम प्रॉब्लम इज विद विल, शैल. यूज ऑफ विल और शैल. She will play with me. I shall complete my homework. So where to use will and where to use shall? Shall is used only when there is subject we or I. अगर subject we है तो shall use होगा, अगर subject I है तो shall use होगा. With all other subjects we use will. बाकी कोई भी subject हो, he, she, it, you, they और all other subject like singular name है या plural name है, we'll use will. Just remind it that shall is used with we and I. With all other subjects we use will. Use of has, have. This is also one more problem with you. She has played with me. I have completed my homework. Same is here. With subject she, has is used. With subject I, have is used. So where we use have? We use have with subject I, we, you, they or all other plural subjects. Plural subjects like children, students, boys, girls, teachers, Ram and Sham. Any plural subject is there, we'll use have. Has is used with subject he, she, it or singular subjects. We use has. I hope you have got all these confusive auxiliary